after I've done my foundation, I'm going to go and take whatever I have left on here and just kind of run it across my lips. That kind of helps fade out the color around here so I can go in with my liner after. Also, when I'm setting my face with my powder, I'll take whatever I have left on there and run that across my lips also, just to kind of set that makeup on there. Once I blended all the setting powder on my face, I take some sort of a brush that has like a flat edge to it. Like this one's not so bad. And then you're literally gonna like brush that above and below your lip where you see shadows there, like underneath here. You just wanna make the shadows look a little deeper. And then same thing with the top one. I'm just using a normal bronzer. Because you want to give off the illusion that they're bigger. So some people like to use like the fan brushes that you would use for like highlight, but I don't think it really matters as long as you clean it up properly. I'm going to take a darker bronzer that I have right here also, just to see if that makes a difference. Okay. Now, as you can see, it looks really, really weird for you now. Hang on. Taking the sponge that I was already using, and I'm just going to kind of like push in around that color. I'm going to take this dark nude color. This is Obvi by ColourPop. And I'm just going to do the same thing I would normally do with my lines. Just so I can lift it up a little higher there where it's dark. And then rounding it off. Now I'm going to just throw a nude color on top of there. This is the Morphe Lip Crayon in the color NSFW. And that kind of gives it like an ombre effect, so as to blend that darker color in with the light color. And it helps to bring that nude lipstick color up as high as that line is almost. Just to blend that in, make it look more natural. And then any gloss on top of that.